My name is Anna Parton. I'm a public health dietitian and I work for Nutrition Skills for Life in Swansea Bay. So the Snack Award is an award that our department, our Nutrition Skills for Life department, actually oversees, and it's an amazing award that you get a window sticker and you get an apron if you fulfill these amazing, fairly simple rules to say that you're giving the children in your settings healthy snacks, you're helping them wash their hands, you're fulfilling all those key messages, dental hygiene, etc. And so when you choose a childminder or a childcare setting, you could ask them, are you part of the Snack Award? And if they say, well, we're not sure about that, say, well, why don't you? Because it's a really great award to be part of, and it just is that gold standard stamp to say we're going the extra mile, we're giving our children the healthy snacks and the healthy options.